Welcome. In front of me is a TOSCIDO X109, and today I'll show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So to get started, hold the power key, and once you see your boot options, click on power off. When the device turns off, you will want to hold the power key and volume up at the same time. So I'm gonna do that right now. Once you see the boot mode, using only volume up, you want to make sure that you have selected recovery mode. So you can just kind of scroll through it. It will cycle down and then jump all the way back up. Once your first option, recovery mode, is selected, press volume down to confirm it. And when you see your Android with no command, hold power key and press volume up once. This will boot us into recovery mode, and in here we can use both of the volume keys to navigate up and down, and you want to utilize those in order to select wipe cache partition. Once it's selected, press power key to confirm it, then select yes the same way. It will give you message formatting cache and then cache wipe complete, at which point reboot system now is selected by default, so all you need to do is press power key once again, and this will now boot you back into Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android once it actually loads all the way. There we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.